How to fix clock app not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you can launch your clock app. Here we go. Then you can force quit the app, swipe up, close the clock app and then relaunch it. With that, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, next thing you want to do is launch your app store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name clock and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you might find the option of update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, then here towards the option of date and time. Make sure you have enabled for this option of set automatically. Then you can head back. Now scroll all the way down. Click on this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset all the settings. Likewise, head back. Lastly, what you can do is completely delete the clock app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this. Now press and hold clock app. Click on remove app. Click on delete app. Click on delete. Once you delete this app, launch your app store, search for the app clock. After app appears, install it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix clock app not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.